Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Friday 3 November 2023, I have 13 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. My first pick of the day is a potential long on Aussie CAD, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now back to the Aussie CAD. Australian dollar outperforming all other currencies, very strong. Although the CAD is gaining from the bottom spot here upwards, we still see a very, very strong Australian dollar. So I'm still good going long at this 50% level market structure here of this Fibonacci here. Now, if I move on to the 1 hour charts, I'm busy seeing a double bottom setup. You see the double bottom. So on a breakout here, I will be entering the trade as a 1 hour signal. Then the euro yen. Euro still outperforming the yen. Missed the level I showed you yesterday, so I'm still going to wait at that level for some potential longs. The pound yen also missed my trade level yesterday, but I'm not going to chase into this. Pound still stronger than the yen. I'm still good waiting for that retest there later today. Euro CAD, sadly, after hitting nice targets, I took another trade there, ran up the page and gave up yesterday and took me down right to my full stop loss. So I lost a full loss on this one. Unfortunately, started out very well the trade, but never gave me a signal that I could trail my stop loss. So I took a full loss on this one. So for today, I'm removing this from my list. Then the pound Swiss, pound there, Swiss there, still a favorite long, but I'm still waiting for retracement. I'm not gonna chase it up the page. If I see Monday some form of a consolidation, I will then do the breakout and retest. But for today, I'll still wait patiently for a potential retracement. On the Aussie yen, big retracement needed, but I want to keep the Aussie charts on here. Otherwise, if it comes back there, which I highly doubt for today, I would still like to be long here. Aussie Swiss, again, retracement back to the 61% Fibonacci level I showed you also yesterday. I'm patiently waiting for retracement. I'm not going to chase this market silly. New Zealand CAD did retrace here now this morning, hitting the level. You can see the New Zealand CAD also good, same as the Aussie CAD, and it's also made a double bottom this morning, and it already gave a little 1 hour entry there. So you got the test, another test, little the 1 hour double bottom trade. There was no candle reversals that you could have used, but now the breakout is not a bad entry with a stop loss just below the lowest point here. New Zealand yen, New Zealand also there, yen up there. I'm still waiting for the retracement back to this big level. I highly doubt if that's going to happen today, but I want to keep them up on my list. New Zealand Swiss, same. New Zealand Swiss, I'm waiting for the retracements. I'm not going to chase them. Aussie US, also big first run up here, big wave one, nice break. The other Aussie is very strong. I am going to wait for it. Retracements back to the 50% level at this market structure. If it consolidates there today, then Monday we can do some breakouts. But for now, I'll patiently wait for the retest. Then the pound New Zealand. I like this one a lot. Big level here. You can see here, pound, New Zealand. Pound's definitely weaker than the New Zealand. Trend is just reversing, and that's the attractive part of the trade for me. So I'm going to wait now mainly for a retest of this area here, which is quite a big level here. You can see that's quite a big support level there. It's been lasting a long time. So if I'm lucky enough and I get a retest, I'll look for a reversal there, and then the sell-off hopefully for some legs down the page. And the CAD Swiss, also CAD there, Swiss there. This is a little bit of a hedge trade to a certain extent, because if you're going to go long Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, you're actually shorting the CAD. But in this instance, we can be long CAD against the Swiss. So that will give us a little bit of a hedge if the other trades fail. But I'm waiting also patiently for retracement back to this 50% level here, or this big market structure you had here. That's actually the one I like a lot, but I will honor the 50% level there with the structure here. If it can come back, I will look for 4 hour and 1 hour candle reversals. Then my favorite setup for today is a long on gold. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Back to my favorite setup, gold. Now, we already had the channel yesterday. It broke, it retested, slight hammer candle here. If you zoom in here, you'll see a little bit of a hammer candle test there. I nibbled cautiously again on gold. With the dollar weakening, I want to be long on gold. But there's another opportunity here. You can see here, shoulder, little head, and a shoulder with a neckline there. So the breakout there is another breakout, right? So I got a little bit here. I trailed the stop loss from down here to there, to that long lower shadow there. Now on the break, I will add to the trade. I put some a little bit more because I was very cautious here on a smaller position. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.